Hi, welcome to my Arctic Blast review. Arctic Blast is a pain relief supplement that is powered by a natural composition to get rid of one's pain. It is a natural and effective solution to the pain in one's body. It could be a pain in any part of the body, such as your wrist, backache, headache, or just anywhere else, but the supplement will be able to fix it. According to the website, this pain relief solution is natural. It is based on DMSO, that is a natural ingredient that has so far been kept away from the public. It is both natural as well as budget friendly and also does not come without any side effects. Arctic Blast is composed mainly of a natural ingredient named DMSO. In addition to the central ingredient, there are numerous other natural pain relievers in the formula. These include menthol oil, camphor oil, Arnica montana, emu oil, aloe vera gel, flower extract, and wintergreen oil. This is an entirely natural composition. There are no chemicals used in this formula. Therefore, there are no side effects posed by this painkiller. Arctic Blast comes with a money-back guarantee, so there's nothing to lose. To get Arctic Blast for the most discontinued price, visit the link in the description below.